So initially we got started in 2005, and it all began as kind of a contingency because the company we worked for was up for sale. We found some equipment to buy, set up shop here, and we've been here since then, so going on, 13 years. So essentially we are an industrial service provider. We have approximately 40 regular customers. We go in, we look at different process improvements. We provide repairs, millwrighting, maintenance, and metal fabrication services. We go in, we measure the items, we design it, we manufacture it, and we install it. Many of our customers are places like Procter & Gamble, the local dairies, Parmalat, Reed's Dairy, Magna. It's nice to develop relationships with people that, sometimes exceed outside the workplace. We believe in commitment to the customer satisfaction, delivering a quality product in a timely fashion, and making sure in the end of the day that the customer's happy. You have to have, in our line of work, we have to have repeat business. We prefer that because we want to work and conduct our business within a small area, relatively. We rely on repeat customers. We want to deliver a quality package because we're putting our name on it. We've been honest with the customers and been honest with our employees. Because we rely on repeat business, it's important that our employees develop a trusting working relationship with those people. We require people that are able to do it all, or work with the rest of us to do it all. We believe in the value of having an educated employee. We invest in our employees' education. Overall average age of our employees is approximately 30. We've hired apprentices right from high school because maybe we've had them as a co-op student and they performed well and showed initiative, and those are the people we want. The more versatile our employees are, the more value they have to us. And not only that, but I think the more they value themselves. So receiving the Quinte Business Achievement Award, it's been enlightening. It sets a benchmark. For sure, it's nice to know that people in the community appreciate what we do, the services we offer, and have recognized we offer the best service we can. There's good days, there's bad days, but it is gratifying to know that we're able to provide employment for people that can take part in profit sharing, have benefits and so on to support their families. I've spent most of my adult life in this area. It's a great community with a lot of great people. We sponsor soccer or hockey or baseball, and I really believe that when you live in a community, you need to support those within that community because they support you. We're running this current facility at pretty much capacity. We started off with 7 employees, we now have 29, but we still operate as a kind of a family-oriented business. We take pride in getting to know our employees. They're not just a number. Our employees are our resource. Without our employees, we wouldn't have a business.